Hey everybody, I'm meteorologist Kyle Pickens with your SWX weather update. A little bit of rain activity, especially over eastern and northern parts of Montana as we've gone through Monday afternoon. Could see a little bit more of this kind of stuff as we go through Monday night, but we're going to see a bigger change of our weather coming up going into Tuesday morning because of this cold front. This is going to slide through and basically be through the entire area by middle of the day on Tuesday. So highs probably going to top out around noon or so, maybe a little bit sooner than that for some places during Tuesday morning going into Tuesday afternoon. As this front passes, it's going to change our winds up just a little bit. They should die down some, but it'll probably stay a little bit breezy for some of us. We'll also see temperatures dropping throughout the afternoon and into the night, through the night really, and probably into the morning hours of Wednesday. We're also going to see some chances for some rain and the higher elevation, well, the foothills of the mountains, places like Red Lodge. Probably going to see some good snow, maybe 1 to 3 inches of snow accumulations for areas like that, maybe a little bit more locally, but it does look like we're in for some snow accumulations across the area, probably not in the plains. It's probably been too warm for that, but snowfall at least. Does look like it's going to get a little bit snowy here and there for some of us. Things should dry out Wednesday, still going to be on the cold side though. Should warm up going into Thursday. We should close out the week actually back into the 50s to around 60. So a little dose of winter weather coming up here over the next couple of days, and then things will improve as we go into the weekend. 30s for the most part for the lows. Bit windy still, some chances for some rain through the evening. Highs coming up for Tuesday, 30s and 40s. Again, those are probably going to be early before that cold front moves through. Here's a look at the rest of the week on the Color 8-day forecast. A bigger dose of winter looks like it's coming up for the beginning of next week.